Welcome back to Cooking with Peter. Today we're going to be making a creamy pesto salmon. This video is probably going to be really short because it's super easy to make. Let's get started. So first thing you're going to want to do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Here's what you're going to need. You're going to need some salmon. We got about 400 grams of salmon right here. 2 tablespoons of butter, about a tablespoon of whipping cream, and 2 tablespoons of pesto sauce, either store-bought or homemade. If you're doing store-bought, I recommend the Kirkland brand. And of course, a little bit of salt and pepper. Next, you're going to put all of your ingredients into a microwave-safe bowl. Just toss them all in there. Now just toss the mixture into the microwave. I recommend doing this in 5-second increments. The last thing you want is to burn your butter. So just give it a mix every 5 seconds or so. You know you're done when you end up with this nice creamy consistency. Grab your baking tray and lay down some aluminum foil, as it'll make for a quicker and easier cleanup later down the line. And then you're going to want to get a second piece of aluminum foil. That's where your salmon's going to go into. Toss your salmon down into the aluminum foil. I've said aluminum foil a lot of times now. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to prick a couple of holes into your salmon. This is going to allow the sauce to really penetrate the salmon. And then just get your pesto mixture and just pour it on top. Really make sure that you spread it out nice and evenly so the entire piece of salmon is covered with the sauce. Now just top it off with some freshly ground salt and pepper. Next, we're going to wrap this bad boy up. Be sure not to wrap it too tightly, as it needs to have a little bit of space for the steam to do its thing. Now you're just going to pop it into the oven for about 12 to 15 minutes depending on how thick your piece of salmon is. Just keep an eye on it so that it doesn't overcook. So it's been about 12 minutes. Let's unwrap this salmon and see how it looks. As you can see, it is beautifully cooked. It's time to plate this thing up. And there you have it, our beautiful creamy pesto salmon. Let's give it a try. Nice and tender, not dry at all. Tastes delicious. I totally recommend giving this a try. It's super easy to make. The prep time is literally like 5 minutes, cook time about 10 to 15 minutes. If you guys do try it, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.